Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
走马街啊！
让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
What you're listening to right now is something very different and unique. It's some traditional Chinese instruments, and it's called the Hakka Ba Ying, something that you hear during the Lunar New Year period. Hello, my name is Joseph Lin. It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT, and like I said, we're doing something special for this month, because during the Lunar New Year period, Hakka Ba Ying carries a distinctive festive cheer. Ba Ying refers to the 8 types of materials used in traditional Chinese instruments, including metal, stone, silk, bamboo, gourd, clay, leather, and wood. Hakka Ba Ying performances often begin with an initial blowing of the suona. It's a Chinese wind instrument, creating a warm and solemn environment. Now, the song 大团圆十二藏 is performed by the Kaohsiung Meinong Zhutoubei Hakka Ba Ying troupe, bringing a splendid and lively atmosphere to the ceremonies. Let's take a listen to 胎团圆十二藏。过年期间，我们以客家八音带来浓厚的节庆氛围。八音呢，一般是指8种乐器材质的声音，包括金、石、丝、竹、刨、土、革、木。而客家八音的演奏形态多以唢呐为主奏乐器，大致分为搭配锣鼓的吹鼓乐，以及搭配弦乐器的弦唢乐。南部的客家八音在喜庆或祭祀活动开始时，常以大吹开场，也就是由一支唢呐搭配所有的打击乐器，场面热烈又庄重。这首由高雄美浓竹头辈客家八音团所演奏的大团圆十二藏胎团圆十二葱，正是以欢腾的乐声揭开序幕，为仪式活动增添隆重的气氛。Again, it's a festive month in February, bringing you some Hakka Ba Ying. Thank you so much for listening to another Hakka song. My name is Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.